JDCat26 here, just appears in hobbies, and I'm going to bring you this little tip I'm doing here. I had the supplies to do it. Please donate if you'd like, please, to help me produce videos. Anyway, you got the gold paint here, any Testor's paint, they tend to tip over. Well, we're going to rectify that, okay? Got some magnets here. I'm going to open this up and get a magnet out of here. You can do this for, any of your, Testor paints that you're going to be using. You can do them all, put a magnet on. What you do is take the goop and you're going to put some glue or goop on the magnet. Like that. And then you're going to stick your bottle on there and you're going to let it dry, okay? And then what you do is, when it's done drying, okay, you get a piece of plate like this, piece of sheet metal, and it sticks right to there. So, it won't, if you hit it, it won't go over. Of course, you want something more square than rectangle, because that way it has more base to it. So more of a square piece of metal you want. I'm going to get that. I don't have the money to buy it right now, but this is what I want to show you, how to keep these bottles from tipping over and you lose all your paint. I've done that many times. So I'm bringing you that tip today, and I hope you're having a good day. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. I'm going to add on to this video. I did find a Christmas tin cover, which is made out of metal, which is perfect. And there you go. Okay. Perfect for holding your paints. So, okay. I wanted to show you that, so I snuck it in. Take care. Bye for now.